Throw away or throw out. This is to dispose of something, to put something in the trash. Throw away and throw out both mean to put something in the garbage so you will not keep it. Americans use these constantly in daily life because we're always getting rid of things. You can throw away or get rid of old food, empty boxes, receipts, papers that we don't need, plastic bottles, and trash bags. This phrasal verb can also express regret when someone loses something valuable. I accidentally threw it out. You'll hear it everywhere, at home, at school, at the office. Common reminders you hear in American households are, don't forget to throw away the trash, or throw out anything that's expired in the refrigerator. Please throw away your wrappers. Some examples are, please throw away the trash. He threw out the old leftovers. Don't throw away the receipt. You might need it. She threw away the broken toys. They threw out a huge pile of papers during cleaning. Now repeat after me. Throw out. Throw out. Throw out. Threw out. Threw out. Threw out. Throw it away. Don't throw that out.